Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be doing a Lindy AI tutorial. If you ever feel like you're stuck doing the same tasks over and over again, such as replying to emails, running follow-ups, logging notes, or moving data between tools, then today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Lindy to turn those repetitive tasks into automated workflows that you can trust. If you would like to try Lindy out as I explain in this video, then go ahead and navigate to the link in the description below. You can try it out for free as you get 400 credits per month, or you can start with any of their paid plans for free by using the link. Now, if you are completely unfamiliar, Lindy is an AI agent builder. You describe what you want in simple language, and then Lindy will turn that into a working flow made of steps, conditions, and actions. It connects to applications that you already use, such as Gmail or Slack, HubSpot, Notion, and many more. So your agent can read messages, look up answers, send replies, create tickets, and keep you in the loop. There is a visual editor called the Flow Editor where you can see every step, tweak logic, and test changes safely before you go live. So once again, to get started, all you have to do is click on the link in the description, hit try for free, and then sign up for a free trial or the free plan. When you log in, you will land on the home screen with a simple command prompt. This is where you can tell Lindy exactly what you want to build. You don't even need to get the wording perfect, you can always refine it later. Now for this tutorial, I can create an AI email assistant that watches your Gmail, answers common questions using your own frequently asked questions or knowledge base, and then message you on Slack when it can't find an answer. This is a great first agent because it saves time fast and shows how each part of Lindy works. So once again, in the big text field, you want to type something like monitor my Gmail inbox for new messages. If the question can be answered from our knowledge base, then reply automatically from it. But if not, then you send a polite, will follow up later email and notify me on Slack to review it. You click build agent and then Lindy will think for a moment and then open the flow editor with a starter flow based on your description prompt. You'll be able to see a clear path from a trigger such as the email arrives, to decisions, can we answer this or not, to actions, send email, send Slack message, etc. Now at the top of the flow, you will see the trigger, and this is what triggers the workflow. So you want to click on it, and then in the right pane, you can authorize Lindy to access your Gmail. You can also set filters so that the agent only wakes up for certain messages like emails containing a certain keyword like invoice or billing, messages from outside your domain, or emails that match a certain label. If you are just testing, you can choose all emails so that you can see it work right away. Click save to confirm that. After that, you can add your own knowledge base. This is where your answers will come from. So onto the knowledge base step, this is what your agent will use to answer questions. You can add text, files, or URLs. For a quick start, you can paste your frequently asked questions or any standard answers that you already use. For example, your store's hours, refund policy, or pricing basics, or how-to steps. The more clear and up-to-date your information is, the better the replies will be. Simply click add and then save when you're done, and then you will see your document listed as a source. You can always edit it or add more later as you learn what customers ask the most. Now back in the flow editor, you will see a condition step that splits the flow. If Lindy finds a confident answer, it takes the yes path and replies. And if not, it goes down the no path. Sends a friendly placeholder email to the customer and then pings you on Slack. This logic is what saves you time without risking bad answers. You keep control when the agent is unsure. You can also customize the automatic reply, so if the answer is found. So you click send email step in the answer found branch. On the right, you will see that the subject and body are set to prompt AI. That means the AI drafts the message based on the customer's email and your knowledge base. You can also open the prompt text and fine-tune the tone. For example, add keep it brief, sound friendly and professional, or include a link to our help page if relevant. If you prefer to review the messages before they go out, you can toggle save as draft. For the full automation, leave it off so messages send right away and then click save. If you're running the same workflow, you want to connect Slack and then make sure that you get notified. So you want to click the send Slack DM step. Connect Slack if you haven't, choose who should be notified, and edit the message if you want. I usually like to include the sender's email and the original question so that I can scan it without switching tools. Click save and now your agent won't leave you in the dark. Of course, make sure to test it with real emails so you can send yourself 2 emails from another account. Start by asking a question that's definitely in your frequently asked questions like what are your support hours, and then ask something that isn't covered, just to make sure whether it asks you on Slack or not. Again, back in the flow editor, you can click test in the top right corner and then pick your test email. Lindy will run the flow and show you which branch it took. And then once you're happy with the tests, you just deploy your agent. Click deploy in the top right, and then from now on the agent will run in the background. You don't need to keep the window open. It watches for any new emails, checks your knowledge base, replies when it can, and asks for help when it can't. Now, a few simple tips that I should give you is that you want to keep your knowledge base clean and up to date. When you answer something by hand, consider adding it to the frequently asked questions so the agent learns it the next time. Start with save as draft on for a short trial period if you are nervous, and then flip it off when you trust the tone. Set a Slack channel or tag for escalations so nothing slips. And make small changes, then test so you always know what caused a new behavior. And now you know the benefit of Lindy. You go from blank canvas to a working AI assistant that watches your inbox, answers common questions, and then loops you in when it needs help. And you've done zero coding, just clear instructions. This one change can save you hours every single week and keep your customers happy with fast, consistent replies. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, as with Lindy you can keep stacking useful automations until your busy work runs itself. Thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, if you would like to give Lindy a shot with the free plan with 400 credits per month, then go ahead and navigate to the link in the description below this video. For the paid plans, you can also get unlimited phone calls with the business plan. You can sign up for free, test it out, and get a bunch of other features. If you have found this video to be helpful and informative to watch, let us know by giving us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make relating to this one.